filaments in there and mops it up right away. But when the astroglial cell is tied up being inflamed or fighting off oxidative stress or infection, it doesn't mop up the glutamate. So the glutamate hangs out in there and just keeps irritating the neurons. And so the normal housekeeping functions of glial cells get neglected. You have a reduction of brain repair chemicals like BDNF, and you start damaging the oligodendroglial cells, which insulate the white matter with myelin. So this can cause irritation, noise, and over time damage to the brain. So this is a very important slide to understand. I want to tell you that this came from a paper on depression, but there's a huge overlap between what we know about cellular changes in depression and what happens in autism. So in summary, I actually propose as a scientist that autism is the breakdown of resilience, that it's a process that goes on a moment-to-moment basis where you can't do all the things that you could do if you were more resilient. You have a loss of flexibility in the repetitive and restricted behaviors. This seems logical to be not a specific trait, but just what the brain does when its resilience is diminished. Problems recognizing facial emotion or faces. It could come from a reduction in the brain's ability to coordinate all the information that the face provides, the eyes, the mouth, all of the amazing muscles that where a subtle shift will tell you that the person is thinking or feeling something. That's a lot of overwhelm for people with autism, and that the overwhelm part may be, at least in part, related to the loss of resilience at all of the levels of the brain, the cells, the molecules, and upwards. Problems communicating, problems in marshaling sufficiently complex resources, like the words you want in the right time, or the ability to coordinate all the incredible movements in your mouth. I once saw a video of a live MRI watching the way the tongue moved as someone was talking. That is complicated. And if you have problems coordinating movement, why would that be easy?